Hi everybody, today we are cooking over the campfire, but we are going to make some kid-friendly recipes. So I'm with Ryan, who's the outdoor education supervisor with Three Rivers Park District. And Ryan, what are we making today?
Today we're gonna make bread on a stick.
Oh, that sounds fun. Well, what are the first steps to getting started?
First thing we gotta go find a stick.
Ooh, let's do it. So Ryan, any suggestions on the type of stick I'm looking for here?
Yeah, I'm thinking like 3 to 4 feet long, maybe about the size of a pool cue.
This looks pool cue-like. How does this look, Ryan?
Looks great.
Ryan, I noticed you're pulling some of the bark off your stick. Is that to get it a little cleaner?
Yeah, I feel a little better if I have it clean and have the dirt off of it.
That's true. So we have our sticks. I assume now it's time to mix the ingredients?
Yeah, all you need is some all-purpose like biscuit mix and water, and we'll just mix those together.
2 ingredients.
That's it.
How easy.
I just dump it in, and I'm only making a little bit just for both of us today. And then when I mix it with the water, I don't want to put too much water in there. I want it kind of dry, because when we're putting it on our stick, we don't want it to be, sticky or gooey, so mix it on the dry side.
I like your style of cooking. It's like eyeball it. That's how I do it at home.
That's how it is over the campfire. You don't have a measuring cup, just eyeball it and mix it till it's a good dough. Next step is we're gonna take our dough and get it kind of rolled up, about the size of a golf ball, maybe a little bit bigger. And then what I like to do is I like to think of it like Play-Doh. We used to make a snake out of your Play-Doh?
Yes.
I wanna kind of make it a nice skinny snake. And now I have my biscuit mix and I can wrap it, then kind of push it on so it sticks to your stick. I want it to stay on the stick, so kind of make it so it's firmly against the stick. Great.
Are we ready to roast?
Yep, we're ready.
Hey.
And it's kind of like roasting a marshmallow, but it's just gonna take a little bit longer because we're roasting bread.
Sure, so patience is the key here.
Patience is the key, and then I usually rotate it, as I'm cooking.
Approximately how many minutes of roasting do you think?
I usually think about 3 to 5 minutes, but it kind of depends on how much dough you have and how hot your fire is.
Mine seems pretty flaky and done.
Yeah, mine looks golden brown.
All right, time to do a taste test?
Let's taste it. Take the biscuit and slide it right off. And there's a little dough left on here, not a big deal, but as you can see now I have a done piece of bread.
You do, let's see here.
There you go.
Oh! That's a rookie mistake.
You still got a nice piece though.
I do.
Well, I like to eat the bread with a little bit of honey or jelly, or it's just good just by itself as well.
All right, I'm gonna test mine with a little bit of honey.
Okay.
Bread on a stick. It's good.
Tasty.
2 ingredients, simple campfire cooking for your family. Thanks, Ryan.
Yeah, no problem.
It was delicious.